Grammatical case of Polish adjectives, Part 2. The last variable reflected in an adjective's ending is its case, which depends on its grammatical function in the sentence. Below is a sentence employing one of the most basic defying phrases. For example, to jest dobra książka. This is a good book. The simple structure to jest always requires the following noun to take the nominative form, and since adjectives change the form to correspond to the one of the noun they modify, the adjective assumes the nominative form as well. Here's what happens if the adjective, along with the noun it modifies, is paired with a structure, in this case a transitive verb requiring the accusative case biernik. Czytam dobrą książkę. I am reading a good book. Instead of the nominative ending a, the adjective takes the accusative ending on. This ending is typical for a singular feminine adjectives in the accusative. As we will see below, other gender number combines have their own endings in the accusative as well. These are often completely different to the nominative endings. Naturally, the noun's form changes to accusative as well. Remember that nouns and adjectives have independent declinations. The endings are not identical, so they must be learned separately. Let's look at a similar example, this time with a singular inanimate masculine noun. Czytam dobry magazyn. I am reading a good magazine. However, if we form a similar phrase in the accusative, this time with an animate masculine noun, a person or an animal, the adjective stem receives the ending ego. Znam dobrego dentystę. I know a good dentist. In this case, instead of borrowing the e ending from the nominative case, the accusative form takes the ending ego, which is also borrowed as it is most typical of the genitive case. When it comes to singular neutral adjective forms, things are pretty straightforward, as the accusative ending is always exactly the same as the nominative ending. Compare the two sentences. To jest dobre biurko. This is a good desk. Kupiłem dobre biurko. I bought a good desk. In the next video, 50 high-frequency adjectives in Polish with example sentences. That's all for today. See you later, Poland. You stay classy.